2026 Ferrari Motorhome is here, and it's redefining luxury on wheels. This isn't just any motorhome, it's a Ferrari, blending performance with opulence. From the sleek exterior to the high-end interiors, every detail screams exclusivity. If you've ever dreamed of traveling in style, this is the ultimate ride. Let's start with the design. The Ferrari Motorhome boasts an aerodynamic shape inspired by their supercars. The signature red paintwork, bold lines, and iconic Ferrari badge make it instantly recognizable. LED lighting, chrome accents, and premium finishes elevate its presence on the road. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a statement. Step inside, and you'll be blown away by the craftsmanship. The cabin features hand-stitched leather seats, carbon fiber trims, and Ferrari's signature racing-inspired dashboard. The driver's seat offers a sporty yet comfortable experience, with a multifunctional steering wheel and advanced digital displays. It's like driving a luxury car, but with all the comforts of home. The living space is where the Ferrari Motorhome truly shines. Plush seating, ambient lighting, and premium materials create a lavish atmosphere. The kitchen is equipped with top-tier appliances, including an induction cooktop and a sleek refrigerator. Whether you're cooking or entertaining, this space delivers unmatched sophistication. Sleeping in a Ferrari? Absolutely. The master bedroom features a king-sized bed with memory foam mattress and high thread count linens. There's ample storage, mood lighting, and even a built-in entertainment system. The bathroom is equally impressive, with marble finishes, a rainfall shower, and designer fixtures. It's a 5-star hotel on wheels. Now let's talk tech. The Ferrari Motorhome comes with a state-of-the-art infotainment system, voice control, and smart climate management. High-speed Wi-Fi, wireless charging, and premium sound systems ensure you stay connected and entertained. Advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control and 360-degree cameras make driving effortless. Performance is where Ferrari's DNA shines. The motorhome is powered by a hybrid V8 engine, delivering both power and efficiency. The suspension is tuned for a smooth ride, while the braking system ensures precision control. It's not just about luxury, it's about driving dynamics. So, how much does this masterpiece cost? The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome starts at $1.2 million. Yes, it's a premium price, but for those who demand the best, it's worth every penny. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a Ferrari experience. Who is this for? Discerning travelers who refuse to compromise. If you want the finest materials, cutting-edge tech, and Ferrari's legendary performance, this is your dream on wheels. It's perfect for road trips, glamping, or even as a mobile office. In conclusion, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is in a league of its own. It combines luxury, performance, and innovation like no other. If you're red,